Alright, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can use AI, more specifically ChatGPT, to help manage your anxiety. Now of course, this isn't a replacement for therapy or doing internal work, but it's a nice resource that you can use in addition to those other methods. So I'm on the website, OpenAI, ChatGPT, and I'm on the application and it's asking me to type something in. So let's say for example, you suffer from social anxiety and you're not too sure what you should be doing to address your symptoms. Well, you can just ask ChatGPT what you can do. So I'm going to type in here, I have social anxiety. What can I do to deal with this condition? Give me some tips. Okay. So as you can see, the AI is going to tell you exactly what you need to do to tackle your social anxiety. And as someone that has studied this area, these tips are actually really, really good. Now, of course, don't take this for gospel, but man, I mean, this is some good advice. You might say as well, this is like very generic or typical information that you can find on Google, but you can get more specific with this AI. So for example, watch this. I am in public. I have severe social anxiety. What should I do? Please help. And you can see it's generating a response. If you're experiencing severe social anxiety in a public setting, here are some things you can do to help manage your symptoms. And look, it's giving you actual tips and tricks which you can do in the moment to help combat that social anxiety. Okay, and again, these are actually really, really good tips. And the point is, you just want to use this as a way to help manage your anxiety issues, okay? And it could be anything. I mean, let's try something else. Let's say I am feeling anxious about the mess in my house. I have OCD. What should I do? Or what do you recommend? Okay? And again, the AI is smart enough to tell you what the disorder is and what you should do to try and challenge it and overcome it. So, I mean, this is a very, very useful tool, and I think all of you lot should be using it, especially for that second example I gave you, when you're out and about and you're actually experiencing the anxiety. Now, is this going to work by itself? Well, no, but it's a good tool that you can have in your pocket on your phone to help combat anxiety in real time when it occurs. I mean, this stuff's fascinating. I think it's absolutely amazing. Now, if you want to get really, really specific, you can say stuff like this. Give me a step-by-step plan over the course of the next month to tackle my anxiety. Let's see what it gives us. I haven't actually tried this, but let's see. So week 1. Identify triggers, make a list of things that trigger your anxiety, learn about your condition, research anxiety and OCD. And it's following on from the last prompt that I gave it about OCD. You can see it's actually generating a plan for you to tackle this issue, okay? And look, we're gone through 3 weeks already. It's absolutely incredible what this tool can actually do. So I've just sped up the video and gone to the end, and you can see here it's given us a 4-week plan on how to deal with OCD. And it's mentioning OCD specifically because our last prompt was talking about OCD. But you can do the same thing with any type of disorder that you have. Let's just say social anxiety as an example. And again, the AI is going to generate a 4-week plan on how you can deal with your social anxiety. This is absolutely crazy. I think all of you lot should be using this. I mean, this stuff can help you with just general stuff. It doesn't even have to be about, your psychology or anxiety. I recommend you all check this out. I think it's kind of like a robot therapist in your pocket when you need it. But anyway, I just wanted to mention this to you guys because I think it's very useful and I think it can help you guys massively when you're dealing with any anxiety, depression, or any self-esteem issues. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give this video a subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and check out the content on our channel, and definitely check out ChatGPT when it comes to your psychology. I'll speak to you guys in the next one. You all take care. Peace.